Hi, this is Jared Wilson. Welcome back to my EDL 855 Module 9 case study video, part 2. Just to kind of sum up where we were at, leaving part 1, the decision should be made at an administrative level. Parents and students should be notified of the process so that anything that's changing, what the students can look for consequences, and what is going to be implemented into the policy. In the event that this plan doesn't work, then as a school, as a team, we must collaborate to determine the most ethical decision, not just legal decision, not just policy driven decision, but most ethical decision that's going to support both students while identifying the fact that there was infractions. One way to do this would be to collaborate with the detention center. Work with the detention center to see what kind of a policy we can change, what type of a hybrid system could be implemented if in fact those students are held to a 45-day expulsion. And then advocate for change to provide a higher level of equity. At that point, if the principal's decision making is pulled from him, where it becomes an administrative piece and he does not get to make that decision, then his job from that point is to advocate for change so that he's not facing that same decision again. It's important to have communication with all stakeholders and to collaborate with staff and board to develop better policy and better support systems for all students. Here is a list of resources that I used for this module. And then just to kind of go over some of the standards put for this course, the assignment has given me an opportunity to apply some of the new taught skills that were introduced in this course. The course gave me a better understanding of the educational leadership and highlighted the importance of having a process when it comes to making effective decisions as a leader. And often situations do not offer a clear right or wrong answer. They often lead to unforeseen circumstances that will have a lasting impact on all stakeholders. To determine best outcomes, it is critical that leaders think legally as well as ethically when determining a situation. The current case strategically highlighted the difficult role in determining a decision when the leader is torn between legal and ethical obligations. Looking back at this statement, looking back at the assignment, it is clear to me the importance of establishing policy and following that policy to ensure all students are being disciplined equally. When a zero tolerance policy is implemented, it may allow students to be treated equally, but not with equity. I found during the assignment that I entirely felt that as a leader, I would go against a policy, take the right up and support the students. My only hesitation was that a weapon was brought to school. There can't be an exception just because nobody was hurt with that weapon. It's also difficult to go against a policy that was already in place. And although the only way to make change in policy is to identify its issues and determine a better way to lead from that point on. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.